Here's the One UI keyboard setting you should change immediately for a much better typing experience. Let's get started. First, open Keyboard Settings. 1. Writing Assistant. Turn on Writing Assistant. This AI feature can quickly summarize your text after you finish typing, making it easier to refine long messages. 2. Drawing Assistant. Enable Drawing Assistant. If you use a stylus, this is one of the best AI features available. 3. Predictive Text. Turn on Predictive Text. 4. Auto Replace. I recommend turning Auto Replace off. This gives you more control over your typing. 5. Auto Spell Check. Enable Auto Spell Check. It helps catch spelling mistakes automatically. 6. Sticker and Emoji Suggestions. Turn off sticker suggestions to keep your keyboard clean. 7. Typing Options. Under Typing Options, I'll leave everything as it is. 8. Keyboard Theme. You can customize your keyboard theme. There are 4 different styles to choose from. 9. Keyboard Mode. 10. Size and Transparency. Adjust the keyboard size and transparency to make it more comfortable to use. 11. Layout. I'll disable the number keys at the top because I prefer a cleaner, more compact keyboard. 12. Font Size. I'll increase the font size to make the keys easier to read. 13. Custom Symbols. I'll leave the custom symbol settings as they are. 14. Swipe to Type. Enable Swipe to Type. This is a fantastic feature, especially if you're a fast typer. I'll show you how it works in just a moment. 15. Save Screenshots to Clipboard. Turn on Save Screenshots to Clipboard. Under third-party content, I'll disable everything. Now let's see how Swipe to Type works. As you can see, it's incredibly smooth and easily one of the most underrated keyboard features. 17. AI Button. Under the AI button, you'll find several useful AI tools that can help with your day-to-day tasks. 18. Emoji Settings. Finally, under Emoji Settings, I'll disable all sticker suggestions. You can do the same if you prefer a clean, minimal, and compact keyboard. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and let me know your favorite keyboard feature in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.